Okay, well, here's something that I've never done before. I'm going to attempt to fix these broken G.I. Joes. I've got a few of them here. I'm going to try with, what's his name? Not Storm Shadow, Torch, I don't know, whatever he's called. And Blowtorch, something like that. Oh, he's crusty. Can you hear that? Wow, look at that. Okay. First attempt, mind you. See how it goes. Try not to break the pins inside. Okay. This O-ring is really crusty. So I picked up a bunch on Amazon. And I'm going to attempt to do it according to the YouTube video that I watched not too long ago. So yeah, put that here like that. Put that through the crotch, apparently. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Try not to break anything. Can I do it? I don't know. I've never done this before. No, apparently it's not easy. Well, the guy on the YouTube video certainly made it look easy. Okay, stretch it out. Put it through. Come on, don't break. Don't fall out. Oh, did I get it? Oh, right, look at that. Okay. Then you put it over that part there. Come on. Put the head back in. Arms without it falling apart. Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. It's pretty crusty, all right. All right. And from what I understand, you want to keep the vintage screws intact. The set did come with other ones, but original parts are always best. There. Look at that. Whatever this guy's name is, Blowtorch or something, he's fixed. Does he stand? He stands. Look at that. Does the helmet come off? Oh, it does. Look at that. Isn't he a handsome feller? Ta-da! And this will be going in my Etsy shop pretty soon, Rusted Robot Toys, and I'll fix the other ones later.